In this video, I will show you how can I get my money back from DoorDash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Finding the option to cancel a DoorDash order that you have placed and receive a refund. You will be able to find this option when you open the DoorDash app and browse through your recently placed orders. From the home screen of the app, look at the navigation bar at the bottom and choose Orders. If you have multiple orders placed, make sure to select the appropriate one. If you only have one, you should be able to find the Help option at the top right by default. Afterwards, when you tap Help, you can browse through options related to the order. One of them should be cancellation. You may see a question like, "Can I cancel this order?" or a command such as, "Cancel, Refund." Either way, make sure the Cancel option is available. If it is available, tap it and specify a reason. Keep in mind that if you cannot find the Cancel option or the system doesn't allow cancellation, then unfortunately there's nothing you can do. You can only be granted a refund and cancel the order if the option is still available. Assuming it is, after tapping Cancel and specifying a reason, you will then be able to choose how you want to receive the refund. Usually, the option is only available if the order is still being prepared or hasn't fully gone through. If the order is already on the way, the Cancel option won't appear. When cancellation is successful, you can choose to receive your refund as DoorDash credits or get back to your original payment method, which may take a couple of days, and that's it.